So today we have Daisy, Cameron, I'm Anna, and this is Paola.
Today we will be making an edible EOS with candy, as you can see.
So we have M&M's, Skittles, Snickers, we have the EOS, we have some bowls and some spoons and some cups.
For the EOS, you can either use a used one or a new one. It's up to you. Let's get started.
Started out in the springtime against the golden skyline. You spoke to me at last. It started out intensely, and within all my senses I knew. I'm sure I knew the only reason God gave me eyes was to see you. The only reason God gave me ears was to hear your voice say I love. I will always love you. And when the wind gets cold.
Hi, my name is Alyssa, and I want to say thank you to Miss Morgan for being a nice person and a good mentor.
First, you would like to clean your container so you won't have extra mess in here.
Okay, so now we're gonna melt the candy.
And a microwave safe bowl.
Put it on together and put it in the fridge or freezer for about 5 minutes.
So we're gonna put it in the freezer now.
Result.
Close the video.
Put it on the table.
So guys, that was the end of our edible EOS video. I hope you enjoyed, and no, we're not going to eat it because there's 4 of us to split it. So this is the result. Enjoy, and no, we're not going to eat it because there's 4 of us to split it. So this is the result.
Why love you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God, stop you lying. Always lying to me. You lying so much. You making it hard for me.
Oil? Oh. This is still not on here. On top, right? Let's just say what you're doing.
Me? Okay, so what are we doing?
I'm gonna put the.
We're grabbing.
We're preparing the first.
We're preparing.
We are about to prepare our